Hello everyone, today I'm going to review the Mi Electric screwdriver gun. Now the Mi Electric screwdriver gun is like a small drill and it's really powerful. So first, let's take a look at the design and features. So in the box, you'll find a USB Type-C charging cable. It also comes with this case over here to store everything in. This case with the bits, so there are a lot of different attachments or drill bits. There's even an extension, so you can make it longer for hard to reach places. Then the actual screwdriver gun. Now the hand, it feels like a small drill, but it's really well designed and easy to hold. So when you press the button, it works as a flashlight. And then at the back over here, there's this knob, and you can twist it left to spin left, and right to spin right. So it's counterclockwise or clockwise. So you can screw something in or out. Now it's really easy to attach a bit. Just select one. Let's get this one. And it magnetically snaps into place. Like that. And you can even use it with the extension attachment. So let me show you what it looks like. So use the extension. And it makes it longer. Alright. Now just to clarify, this is not one of those professional power drills used in construction sites. Most professional drills can drill a hole into the wall where you can insert the screw into. But this drill doesn't drill a hole for you. It just drills the screw into the wall. So before I give you my thoughts about this product, let's roll the footage of it in action. Okay, so one of the screws on my bed is loose, so I'm gonna take it out and drill it back in so we can tighten it. So I'm going to be using this attachment that fits, and I'm going to drill out. And this drill is really helpful for assembling furniture. Whoops, it looks like it hasn't fully drilled out yet. Okay, so this is how long it is. I'm going to drill it back in. So we're going to put it back inside. Wow, easily. Looks like the bit came off. Alright everyone, so I made some holes over here and I'm going to attach this key hook. So it looks like a key. So we're going to attach one of the screws over here. Get our drill. Let's see. Yeah, it works really well. So I actually made the holes just to help the screws go in. So I don't have to push them too hard or hammer them. Alright, so I already attached the hook. As you can see, it's really stable, doesn't want to come off. And you can easily hang things on it. Alright everyone, so this time I'm going to attach my phone onto the wall. So I already made some holes for the screws, and we're just going to drill them in. Okay, pretty tight. Use the other one. Tilting a bit. Oh, I think this screw is a bit too deep. So we're gonna unscrew a bit. Like that. Alright everyone, so this is what the phone looks like. I can easily dial over here and answer the phone. Now this is not a wireless phone, and that's why it makes sense to be on the wall, so it's easier to use. And it also saves space, so it doesn't need to be on the table anymore. So hopefully you enjoyed watching that footage of it working, and it will hopefully give you an idea of what it's capable of. So, what are my thoughts? Well, I really like the design of this drill. It's easy to hold and really compact. Plus, the light is really good, so you can see what you're screwing in. Now, I'd highly recommend buying this if you want a small screwdriver that's powerful for your house. Now, this is not going to be a replacement for a professional drill like ones used in the construction site. But if you want to assemble some furniture or screw things into the wall, then I think this is a really good product. Now here's a quick tip. If you want to screw something into the wall, I'd highly recommend making a hole in the wall with a nail. That will make it easier to grip, so the screw can easily drive into the wall. So, hopefully you found this video useful and enjoyed watching it. Please like and subscribe for more, and help support my channel. And you can also check out my unboxing video. I'll leave the link in the description. So, thanks for watching.